Most riders think 1X drivetrains are about saving weight, but the real trade-off is secretly ruining your optimal pedaling cadence. Welcome back to Season 3. For mountain bikes, 1X drivetrains are universal. That debate is dead. But for gravel and all-road bikes, the 2026 battle is fierce. Right now, buyers are completely torn between $1, 200 1X setups like SRAM Rival XPLR and $1, 500 2X systems like Shimano GRX 820. Let's look at the range math. A typical Shimano GRX 2X setup gives you a massive 530% range. SRAM 1X XPLR maxes out around 440%. With 1X, you are mathematically forced to either sacrifice your top-end sprinting speed or lose your easiest bailout climbing gear. Here is the hidden cost where buyers get tricked: cadence gaps. 2X gives you tight 1 to 2 tooth jumps, letting you hold a smooth 90 RPM. To get range on 1X, you need 3 to 4 tooth jumps. A single shift can violently drop your cadence from 90 to 74. That massive jump feels like hitting a brick wall on a climb. Plus, riding 1X in extreme gears causes severe cross-chaining, costing you precious watts in friction. But the upside is undeniable. Dropping the front derailleur saves 300 grams, creates a perfectly clean cockpit, and virtually eliminates dropped chains when the gravel gets muddy. For road bikes, 2X still heavily dominates. 1X road is a niche. The only viable exception in 2026 is the Classified Powershift Hub, which literally hides a 2-speed planetary gear system inside a 1X rear wheel, giving you front derailleur range without the derailleur. The mistake most people make is buying 1X because it looks clean, then suffering on fast group rides because they can never find the right gear for the pace. Here's the honest 2026 verdict. Buy 1X if you ride mostly off-road, face thick mud, and want absolute simplicity. Buy 2X if you ride mixed tarmac, tackle long sustained climbs, and care deeply about optimizing your cadence. Both are great if you know the math. Pick the right gears, ride faster. See you next time.